Welcome everyone. In this video I am taking you through the nature and I'm taking you to my small garden at home towards the end of the video, and I'll show you how nature can play the very important role in our health and well-being. I would like to share with you what are different benefits when we are in the middle of the nature. I have come with my pet Benji near a beautiful lake in Bangalore. It's Kasavanahalli Lake. It is one of the most beautiful lake in Bangalore. Most of us, we know that Bangalore was very well planned by the founder, whose name was Kempe Gowda. He created multiple lakes all around the city, and all lakes were connected through stormwater drain. Just in case one lake gets overflow, the remaining water will be spilled out and balanced to the other lakes. I am very fortunate to come here in this beautiful sunny morning. Sometimes we find parrots also here on these trees. Good morning. Being in the middle of the nature is altogether a different experience. I would like to share with you how being part of the nature helps us mentally, physically, and spiritually. Basically, how healthy it is to be in the middle of nature and making gardening as a hobby. This lake is wonderful. It has abundance of fish, and a lot of birds come here in the morning time. And you can see here, this is the stormwater drain. This is connected to another lake. It's called Kaikon Kahali Lake on the other side. I'll show you the bigger view of this lake. You can see beautiful flowers. The lilies blooming here. You can see this number of fishes over here. This is a small passage which is dividing the lake into two parts, so people can walk the other side of the lake through this interconnecting passage. Very beautiful, and people come and sit over here for meditation also. There are multiple benefits while we attach ourselves with the nature. You'll feel so fresh and you'll be energized to start your day with joy and energy. All of us, we heard about the word called spirituality, right? Spirituality is nothing but connecting ourselves with our inner soul, our inner self. When we come to the nature, when we establish a connection with the nature, the river, mountain, lake, jungle, whatever it is, in fact in our garden, we find ourselves, we rediscover ourselves, and we establish a great connection with our inner soul. It will drastically bring down our stress level, our heart rate will come down, and we will get rejuvenated for the day. There are number of benefits when we stay in the middle of nature and encourage others also do that. One of my hobby is gardening. This is a small garden I have near to my house. I enjoy spending time in my small garden. I have planted these trees by my own. This is a very fragrant flower plant. We call in our native languages shawali. That is a mango tree. This is neem tree. You can see. This is just near our bedroom. As neem, as you know, it produces a lot of oxygen. And this is a guava plant. And these are ashok tree with a lot of beautiful flowers. This is a mango tree, and this is gulmohar. You can see the big gulmohar tree, and this is a flowery plant, small tiny white color with orange stem. And this is my terrace garden. When we spend 5 minutes or more playing with soil, then our parasympathetic nervous system activation changes from flight or fight mode to tend and befriend or rest and digest mode. So you can see these are the colorful plants which we are maintaining here. This is a lemon tree, this is a pomegranate tree, small pomegranate tree, and this is a rose saplings. This is a chili, bhut jolokia we call, and these are small tiny saplings I am putting. Brought it from Kashmir here, newly planted. This is the most relaxing place in our house for our entire family. I'm sure you like this video, and I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.